In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create column chart and pie chart in Microsoft Excel. We'll be working inside an Excel workbook and using a simple data table to create two different chart types from the same information. This is a great way to present data visually because each chart helps tell the story of your numbers in a different way. A column chart is useful when you want to compare values side by side, while a pie chart helps show how each category contributes to the whole. To begin, open your Excel workbook. This can be a brand new workbook or an existing file where you want your charts to appear. Once the workbook is open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B6. Make sure your table is organized clearly with categories in one column and their corresponding values in the next. Keeping your data neat makes it easier for Excel to recognize and chart correctly. Next, select the data. Highlight the entire table so Excel knows exactly which information you want to turn into a chart. This selection is important because the chart will be built directly from the cells you choose. Now let's create the column chart. With the data selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click Insert Column or Bar Chart. From the options under 2D column, choose Clustered Column. As soon as you click it, Excel will generate a column chart based on your selected data. You'll see your categories displayed along the horizontal axis, with vertical columns representing the values. This format makes it easy to compare the size of each category at a glance. Next, we'll create the pie chart. Select the same data range again, so Excel uses the same table. Then go back to the Insert tab. This time click Insert Pie or Donut Chart. Under 2D Pie, select Pie. Excel will instantly create a pie chart from that same data. In this chart, each category appears as a slice, making it easier to understand proportions and see how much each part contributes to the total. Now take a moment to view the result. The column chart displays the selected values as vertical columns, which is helpful for direct comparison. The pie chart displays the values as slices of a whole, which is ideal for showing percentages or relative contribution. And that's it. You've successfully created both a column chart and a pie chart in Microsoft Excel using the same data set.